on a 15-year term. I usually ask for 12 months, but I don't want to write an LOI if it's going to get ignored.
So 12 months, rent abatement. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's like unreasonable what you're asking.
It's too early in the day for unreasonable. Eunice.
Yes.
My name's Danny. My partner and I go out and we physically look at these places, and as you can see, we're making a couple of different calls. I do laundries. I've got 36 stores in 3 states. I'm looking to lease the spot if the rent is commensurate and appropriate, and spend 400 or 500 grand on washers and dryers. Pretty simple stuff. A lot of times I can tell you ahead of time the landlords, at Simi Valley, they want to get $4 a square foot, etc. I don't blame them. But if you want a laundromat tenant, it's costly up front for us, and we retool every 7 years. So you usually have to lower your sights a little bit. That said, what's your ask on a very long-term lease here?
How long are you looking? 5, 10?
I need at least 15 years because every 7 years I'm retooling and doing new equipment. I don't want to dip my toe in the water and do this part-time. And I'm only calling because it was a laundry, and we were in this store when it was operating. It has all the gas, water, electric, everything we need.
Uh-huh. So I don't know if they'll do a 15-year. I think the max I've seen here is a 10-year initial, depending on your credit, but then we can provide you some options to extend. The triple nets at this location is about 85 cents a square foot, and then the base rent's negotiable. But typically the asking rate was around $1.80 a square foot.
Well, credit's not a problem. I've got 36 locations. We can do a 10 and a 5 and a 5. I mean, I'm not saying I need 5 years straight without increases. That's not what I'm saying. But anyone looking to do a 2 or 3 year lease in a laundromat, they're not serious, obviously, because of the money that we have to spend.
No, yeah. I've got several laundromat operators. Most of the leases we have are 5-year initial terms, and then they have about 3 to 5 options.
Good.
Each 5-year periods.
Well, look, let us. I don't want to jump off the phone. It sounds like you have your ducks in a row as far as what your landlord will and won't do. I can start at $1.50 plus. Your triple nets are high. There's nothing I could do. I could write it up on 10 and a 5 or even 3 5s. What type of abatement can I look to get? I usually ask for 12 months because I can't even get this place open for 6 months, probably. Ordering the equipment, getting it in place. I'm going to be sitting on my hands for a long time.
Yeah. Are you looking at $1.50 for the base rent alone?
Correct.
Or are you talking about all in? Okay.
No, base rent.
Yeah. So how much is your typical build out cost?
What's the square footage here?
That's about 1,618.
Yeah, it's a small store. It's $300 a square foot, so a little over 300 grand.
Okay. What are you typically looking for?
Like I said, you have their ear. On a 15-year term, I usually ask for 12 months, but I don't want to write an LOI if it's going to get ignored.
So 12 months, rent abatement, as is. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it's like, unreasonable what you're asking.
It's too early in the day for unreasonable. What is your email address? I will put together a letter of intent. Give us about a day, and we will shoot it over.
Yeah, it works. It is.
Lovely. I'm Danny D'Angelo. My partner's name is Kevin. I will CC him in the LOI and the email to you. Feel free to call. This is my cell phone number, the number you're looking at. And if this works, we're going to start swinging hammers as soon as we can and get another successful store kicked off. We do them right.
Awesome.
It's a good business if you know what you're doing and you don't go out and buy them or build them. And we don't do either one. It gives us a bit of a leg up. I consider you a friend. Thanks for the time. Go ahead.
A quick question for you. That tenant entity that you're proposing, is that with all 36 locations?
That's me. I'm not a broker. I'm not a flipper or a salesman. This is my partner and I.
So are you guys putting the leases in your individual names?
Yeah, we're not Walmart. I mean, if I was ever big enough where I didn't have to sign a personal guarantee, that would be lovely, but I don't expect that.
Yeah, I'm just asking because typically people are putting, if it's not your individual name, it's like, hey, Coin Laundry LLC.
No,
And then
I don't expect that. If that's what you want to do, great. Nothing to hide.
You know, we can fix it however, but you still have to be a personal guarantor.
So why'd you ask?
Because I wanted info on the tenant entity that you're proposing, because I don't have any info on your tenant entity.
Right, but there is
So
no.
when
It's
the
not
owner
a separate.
asked me,
But you're saying my tenant as though it's same. I'm not trying to hide
okay,
behind
well,
an
thanks
LLC.
so much. I'll look forward to your email.
All that in 10 minutes. When will you start? That's not a rhetorical. When the will you start? No one's going to do this for you, including me.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.